So after almost dying this morning, let's see if we can continue this day a little bit better, shall we? The real fun stuff, the nature of Costa Rica is about to start. It's amazing. This is amazing here. We're where Leanne said we were gonna be, in Jumanji. This monkey's mad at me. Angry monkey.
So Angel is taking us on an adventure.
All right, everybody. Hold on. This might get a little bumpy.
What was that?
Living my life.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop.
Into the jungle we go. Ziplining time. Let's do this. So Gabe got stuck on the longest zip line we're doing.
I got stuck. He just got stuck on the zip line. Oh, they're gonna have to go rescue her.
So now Yadi got stuck.
Almost there, almost there.
So now I'm getting nervous.
Coming in hot, coming in hot.
So that's what I get for not obeying the rules. Moana done jacked me up.